I see the big red balls outside. The entrance is 8 or 9 wide. Some of the doors don't open, they say step to the side to get inside. I walk inside and I smell the good smell. Top tier goods they like to sell. They always clean their water, I never fell. They always organize so well. Save big money at Menards, it's so large. They got the mother truck and lumber yards out back. The cartoon picture of an old man make you laugh. Save big money at Menards. Dogs are loud, in fact they're encouraged. Too bad I am mother truck and allergic, but I still like the dogs and ate it too. Save big money at Menards. Blue and yellow, Ikea, I see ya. You're Swedish, you greet us with your candies and your hot dogs. Epic affordable furniture made with real logs. It says here made in China. If you don't like them, truck and find them. Ikea is top tier. Unlike you, cry a tear. Any gas station, how could you live without him? Truck and sushi station, I just love them and I don't have to be patient cause they're quick. Put a corn dog on a stick and feed it to me. I'm gonna take that bit to go. I'm not gonna drop it on the floor cause there's hair on there. If I do, you'll give me new ones for free. Maybe because gas stations love me. Walmart with Subway, selling the Cheetos, selling the Fritos, selling Tostitos. Walmart with the yellow boom, it's like wall art. The bathroom smell like fart shark. Get a cart from Walmart and start shopping. Don't lollygag, get to the Hot Wheel aisle.